Nasser Tono, naagaw ni Marlo Aquino, napunta kay Quezon. Oh, ganda ng pasa!
Ayan ang tinatawag natin na 3-on-1 execution. And a beautiful pass over the shoulder ni Vince Hizon to Noli Locsin. Nawala yung depensa ng San Miguel Beer.
Very unselfish play mula kay Vince Hizon. Among Brothers, laban kay Fred Caulfield, binigay kay Guido Babilonia. Muntik na makakuha ng kanyang mga 4 na puntos, natapik palabas ni Guido Babilonia. But watch this pass again. Picture perfect and attack sa completion.
And you notice, ang layo ng mga taga San Miguel Beer, not able to get back down on defense except for Lamont Sotos. Could be a sign that this is a tired team. Yun ang pinag-usapan natin kanina.
Alam mo, tanong dito, as Hizon gets the ball stripped from his hands. Alam kay Bigyan na Mendola, binigay kay Nelson Nasser Tono, laban kay Caulfield, si Nasser Tono.